Hey, let's do an unboxing and a post test, shall we? Oh yeah. This is the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. We are going to be pairing this with a Ryzen 7 3700X. But for right now, this is just going to be a post test. Okay, I shouldn't need anything else out of the box. So, let's close it up. Alright. Oh, we need to take that off. No, we don't. That uses the clips. Never mind. False alarm. Let's get our processor. Gently set it down in there. Nice and good. Push. We will cold mount the cooler. Let's get our RAM. And slots 2 and 4. There's one. That was a good click. And 2. Alright. 8-pin CPU power. Done. 24-pin ATX power. Done. Graphics card. RTX 2060. Push that down. And PCI Express power. Don't need a hard drive. And where's the front panel? Let's see. It's doing the cycling. It's about 3 times, I think it does it. Anywhere from 3 to 5. Oh, we don't have a video cable plugged in. Let's hit reset. There we go. Post.